Hey guys, my name is Stephanie Farron and I'm the Media Specialist at David W. Butler High School in Charlotte-Mecklenburg Schools. And this quick video tutorial is how to place a hold in Follett Destiny, or the library card catalog. This is specific to Butler High School, however, it does apply to all the schools within CMS. So let's start there. The first thing I'm going to want you to do is to log into your NC EdCloud account. And once you're there, you're going to find the icon. It's actually little books for Follett Destiny. When you click Follett Destiny, you're going to end up with a web page, a jump page for all Charlotte-Mecklenburg schools, and you're going to need to open your bar to find your appropriate school. So for me, it's going to be high schools and then David W. Butler. From here, you have a couple options. You can click the catalog on the ribbon and look up a book that you want to find and find out if it's available or not. If you want to make a list or place it on hold, you're going to need to, however, do this login button. The login button is going to be your ID number for your username, okay? And it's going to be your NC EdCloud password for your password, okay? So NC EdCloud will go in your password. It's the same one that you use for NC EdCloud, and your ID number will be your username. Once you're logged into your account, you'll notice that your name will appear at the top right-hand corner and the log out button. So again, we still can click catalog. We can look up our book that we'd like, and then we can find it. If I like the book and I click it, it'll give me a directions or description of the book, but once I click into the book, there's also a hold it button that I can click. So when I click the hold it button, it will ask me when I want it. You can set a specific date, or you can say as soon as possible. So I'm going to just do as soon as possible and hit save. That's going to tell me, the media specialist, that you want that book. The other thing that I'm going to ask you to do is to complete a quick form so I have a way to contact you. So let me show you how that works. On the Butler High School Media Center page, right in the middle, there's a request a book link. This link will take you to a Google slideshow, and I'm going to put this video inside it too. The important thing here is it tells you again how to look up your book in Follett Destiny, and you can put the book title here. You can also put the call number or the sub-location if it's a fiction book. Okay, but the important thing for me on this list, you can even just write on book title, I placed a hold in Destiny, and I will know to go and check it. But the important thing for me on this page for you all is how to contact you. Please put a cell phone number or an email address that you check, and I will email you or text you or call you and tell you when your books are ready for pickup, and schedule that pickup with you. So the important thing on the form that I can't get from Follett Destiny is a way to contact you. So make sure you submit it. You don't have to submit all the book titles or information because you've already done that in Follett Destiny, but I do need to have a way so that I can contact you. So that's the quick way to do a hold. And just so you know, I will hold the books for you for up to 2 weeks. If you don't come within 2 weeks and you don't reach out to me and explain to me what's going on, I will release it for another student, especially if it's a popular title. All right, so happy browsing. I will also place a video up for Sora as well, but you are welcome to still get a physical library book from me from Butler High School.